Cinnamon is said to be loaded with many health benefits, and adding it to your coffee can do wonders for your overall health in addition to making your coffee more flavorful and robust. Today's video will discuss how adding cinnamon to your coffee can spruce up both its flavor and health quotient. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here is how adding a dash of cinnamon may benefit you. 1. Regulate blood sugar levels. Adding cinnamon to your coffee may help keep your blood sugar levels stable provided you do not add sugar to your coffee. Cinnamon has a sweet flavor that would not let you miss sugar so much. 2. Boost weight loss and prevent craving. Cinnamon is said to be a decent appetite-suppressant. Adding it to your coffee may include a feeling of fullness and reduce craving. When you crave less, you will binge less. 3. Your daily antioxidant fix. Coffee is very high on antioxidants like polyphenols, which are known to curb free radicals activity that is responsible for impaired immunity, dull skin, and aging. Adding cinnamon to your coffee takes up the antioxidants level of your coffee a notch higher. 4. Helps improve cognitive ability and brain power. According to a study, drinking coffee daily may help boost brain activity. There's another study that said merely smelling cinnamon could help improve your processing power. You can imagine the magic it can do if it added to your favorite coffee. 5. Good for heart. Experts claim that cinnamon lowers the risk of developing heart-related ailments and illnesses. But at the same time, do practice moderation. Too much of caffeine has been linked to some cardiovascular problems. Making cinnamon coffee is fairly easy too. While you are brewing a cup of coffee, add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.